I think John would have a nervous breakdown if I made him clean that many pots and pans.
And at Karen.Phillip, who's doing the cleanup?
Normally, John is the cleaner-upper, and he's excellent at it. Sometimes almost annoyingly so, like I'll snap at him because he's taken something that I'm still cooking with or using in the kitchen, and I'm like, I'm still using that. Stop it. But since we've been doing this, there can be 15 to 20 different sets, breakdowns, and resets for food. I think John would have a nervous breakdown if I made him clean that many pots and pans and things. So we actually share the responsibilities now. And our big, like, top to bottom, do the entire house, the stove, every sheet, every towel. That's every Saturday for us. So Saturdays are a little less fun right now. But on a tape day, I do the majority of the hot pan kitchen cleaning just because I know what the next setup will have to look like and what I want to share with you guys. So I kind of work my way through it in my head ahead of time. And John's busy being the entire crew and the home director here.
This is from at Sandcastle813.
Okay?
Our question of the day every day is, what do you want for dinner? How and who decides?
Oh, what do we want for dinner? Whatever I write for you guys. If it's a tape day, we feed not only ourselves, we have like a human bird feeder outside. My mom, my sister, our friends, a lot of people based on their dietary likes and dislikes or needs. We put little Post-its on them for everybody, and we leave them by the back door here on a social distance safe garden workbench. So yeah, but basically we eat what we decide to cook and share with you guys if it's a work day. On Sundays, we always have a pasta of some sort. That's John's wish for Sundays. That's really the only rule we have. Sundays is always Italian food. There really aren't any other rules. We try and mix it up, right?
Yeah.
And we don't really fight about what's for dinner. John's always like, and I'll get frustrated with him. I'll be like, just tell me what you want to eat, because I'm making the meal plan for the week. And he's like, Whatever.
Whatever you're cooking is good for me.
Which is such a frustrating answer if you work in a kitchen. You know what I'm talking about.